Congratulations! I'm delighted with your successful completion of this course. I can understand that the course wasn't easy, although we've tried our best to make your learning easier. We have tried to ensure that the course is well structured and engaging, but despite all of our efforts, it was possibly a tough journey. I'm happy that you've gotten through all the sections, reviewed all the lectures, and completed all the course-related tasks. And I'm glad that you've gotten to the end. I'm sure you've learned many new things from this course that you can apply in the workplace. And I'm sure that you've learned quite a lot. I sincerely hope that your learning journey was pleasant. Before you leave this tutorial, I want to ask you to leave an honest review. If you enjoyed this course and you found the course material helpful in your learning, I request that you rate it appropriately. I want to hear your feedback, and I would be thrilled to see your honest review. Most importantly, your review is going to be helping other learners from around the world understand the quality of this course so that they can also learn these things. I'm hopeful that you'll help us.